Hey y'all, Jason here, JC's Honeybees. And if you're a beekeeper and you've been a beekeeper for a little while, you know that you accumulate a lot of crap. Well, over the past 12 years, I've accumulated a lot of crap, and the back of my property looks like Sanford and Sons live here. So we have decided to pull the trigger, and we're going to move forward with building a building. And the building's going to go right here, where I have all my crap. It's going to be a 40 by 50 building, 16-foot walls. Has the potential to have a second floor on it. It will go back into the tree line some. These are kind of crummy red oak trees anyway, so I'm not heartbroken about them coming down. I will just replace them with better trees, maybe flowering trees that benefit the bees. The dirt, the overburden from here, is going to go down there to fill in our hole. We've got a low spot right there. So you might gander and you reckon, holy crap, Jason, why are you busy chatting away on the video? You got a lot of work to do, boy. And I do. I have 3 days to tidy all this up. So I will let y'all go and update you as best I can. And Richard Noel, this is all your fault. I've been very envious of your building. And I've wanted one for years and years. And now I can finally afford it. Well, here we are. We've cleaned most of our BS up. Just a little bit left. Got the help of the family. Took us about 6 hours. Expect them here 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Start doing the dirt work in preparation for the foundation for the building. I am super duper excited. And it begins. Day 1, 8 a.m. Well, it's the end of day 1. Sorry for the wind. Gonna be pretty stinking amazing. Now, I have to move my bees. I didn't think about it at first, how close the bees were gonna be to where the building was gonna be. But that's pretty close. So now we have to button up the ladies and get them moved. We have a week before they come back out to set up the forms and pour the concrete. Well, now they're finished. This is day 2. The guy that was leveling out the pad dressed up the road here a little bit, which my dirt road is now gone. I'm gonna have to reroute that, but that's okay. Gives me a much nicer angle where the foundation is gonna come off. This thing is just gonna be freaking massive. And the bees definitely have to be moved. Ethan and I are gonna load up at least 12 of these colonies tonight when he gets home from school. Load them up and move them so that these fellas do not have to contend with bees while they're trying to pour concrete or work on the shop at all. I underestimated how far out the building would come and how close it would be to where the bees are. It's a beautiful day, and the ladies are super duper active, which would terrify those fellas when they're trying to do their concrete work and put together a metal building. All right, see y'all.